Yeah.
हैदराबाद में हॉल्ट है हमारा अभी ऑपरेटेड 3 सेक्टर्स नाउ 2 hours हॉल्ट है उसके बाद में वी गोइंग टू चंडीगढ़ एंड there's a layover in चंडीगढ़ प्लाजा प्रीमियम लाउंज में जा रहे हैं हम लोग। क्या पी रहे हो आप लोग? चाय
चाय
चाय पी रहे हो आप लोग? चाय
चाय से चाहत बढ़ता है इसलिए हम चाय पी रहे हैं।
reach the hotel चंडीगढ़ में Radisson yeah layover for the night and the day tomorrow. This is the room for the night. Like this chair. क्या है? ये है आज का कमरा. I like the beds though. व्यू तो कुछ खास है नहीं इधर में, दिखेगा भी नहीं because it's night. बस खाऊंगी पीऊंगी और सो जाऊंगी। कल सुबह लेके जाऊंगी आप लोगों को चंडीगढ़। गुड नाइट। डेड आफ्टर 4 सेक्टर्स क्या इवेंटफुल सेक्टर्स था हमारा आज। सो या गुड नाइट। It's the pool area. Sure. Alright, so I decided to change my hair because it wasn't looking good on camera. So yeah, let's take some pictures, shall we? Let's see what all we have. So I've got masala cheese egg. I've got some fruits. And I've ordered for some sausages and waffles, so I'm gonna wait for that. And I'm gonna quickly have my breakfast. The temperature is slowly beginning to like rise. Hopefully the weather won't be that bad and I can enjoy myself outdoors. So yeah. So got my waffle as well. Sauce chicken pasta, Greek salad, some gulab jamun and Diet Coke for lunch. Eat and sleep for some time and then I'm gonna go for the flight. It's a red-eye flight, so we'll be up all night till the morning. So good luck to me. Getting ready for the flight. My eye looks dark today because I wanted to do some thick eyeliners, so that is why. And it's a red-eye flight, so I'll be needing that. It's in the train outside, and let me show you guys. I'm almost done. Just gonna have to put on my lipstick and some. Yeah, I think just the lipsticks remaining. So just let me show you how it's looking outside after the rain. Wow, nice lighting. Am I the one who gets the best lighting every time or what? So all ready. Just gonna have my coffee and leave after 15 minutes for the flight. It's 3:30 in the morning and we just got to the hotel. Today was like a red-eye flight, so रात का 3 सेक्टर ऑपरेट करके आए we have a layover throughout the night and up until evening, and in the evening we are operating one sector back to Bangalore. So yeah, फिर भी lemon tree. And I think this time also I'm not gonna go out in Pune. Pune में हमेशा जब भी होता है मेरे layover ऐसा timing होता है, so I just cannot go out. But let's see, अगर मेरा energy होता है I'll go out, otherwise I'll sleep in and eat just like last time. So ये इंसान पानी में क्यों खड़ा है? Smell. Ta-da! Oh my god, that looks so bad. Okay, हाँ. हमारा है. Hamara tomorrow. Last time also I was in the same hotel. The only difference was this bed was one. This is like दो वाला bed. So hotel room तो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगी. अब जो सोए जाएंगे, खाएंगे, सोएंगे. कल लेट से उठेंगे. I don't think I'll go out tomorrow Pune, but let's see. Let's see if Pune gets lucky this time. God, everyone say good morning because it's 3:33 in the evening or afternoon. Took a really good nap because yesterday was a night flight and I hadn't slept properly the day before as well. And today also I have a night flight, just one sector though. And I needed to sleep. I don't know why, but every time when I'm in Pune, it happens, you know. I planned that I'd go this time out, but then either the time is not right, either, you know, I don't have enough daytime of the layover, either like the temperature is so bad and I end up staying in. This time I just ended up sleeping. So yeah, maybe next time. Pune, I keep coming back, although I don't think I'll come back to Pune next month, but definitely next month I'll come and do something then. So I'll just quickly freshen up, have my breakfast, lunch, evening snack, everything, and get ready for the flight because I think we'll be leaving at around 5 for the airport. So yeah, it's coming through life. Off we go to Bangalore. All the rooms are like big. सारे crew के थे क्या यहाँ पे? I think all the crew they've left and all the rooms are getting cleaned. Thankfully it's just one sector today and it'll be done, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow is my off. So pretty excited about that. So let's do this.